In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best working Trainline coupon codes in 2025. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and right here you'll have to search for Trainline coupon code. Right here, go to this website which is called Voucher. And as you can see right here, we have a list with some promo codes and some deals that we can use in order to get some discounts. So let's say right here, for example, you want to get this one with up to 50% discount of rail cards. All you need to do is just tap right here where it says get discount. So for this one, there is no voucher code required. So what you need to do is just select this button where it says go to Trainline. And after that, you will be redirected to the website where the discount will be applied automatically. Also, going back to the main search right here, we have this website which is called Simply Codes. And right here, as you can see, we also have some promo codes that we can use to get some discounts. So for example, let's say you want to get this 10% discount of store-wide, which is also a verified code. So all you need to do is just select this button where it says get code. And this is the promo code right here. You can tap on this button to copy this promo code and use it on your next purchase to get a 10% discount. So this is all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.